If you will remember, in the previous video, we look at how we can become data agent for free. If you know you haven't watched that video, check in the previous video section and get that video to watch before you watch this, because this is a continuation of the previous video. In today's tutorial, we are going to look at how you can start selling data as a business person and be making profit from this side hustle. If you are new here, in just a few seconds, I want you to smash the notification bell and subscribe to become part of the tech family for free. By so doing, anytime we upload a new video, you will be notified. Now grab your seat and let's get into business. Before you start data resales business, you will need a flyer. A flyer is any small piece of paper, either hard copy or soft copy, in a designed form containing a precise information. For instance, ShareTech Media, this is our data flyer below, just as you are seeing. Now, one thing you should note is that in the process of you designing your flyer, you should make sure that your profit margin should be attached to any of the prices that we have on our main portal. So what I am trying to mean is that you shouldn't insert the same prices that we have on our portal on your flyer when you are doing designing your flyer, or when the designer is in the process of designing it for you. You should sit down, add your profit to each of the quantities that we have there, so that at the end of the day, anyone who buys from you, the remaining amount becomes your profit. Point 2, you will need a social media platform for advertisement, WhatsApp to be precise, where you will create a group for your customers for them to be placing their orders and also posting on your status daily to show awareness. So when you have WhatsApp, for instance, you create a group for these customers who will be coming to you to buy from you, so that in that essence you will become a group of people where you can be able to reach out to all of them at once. And also making sure you post your flyer on your status every day. You need to be posting your flyer on your status always to draw awareness, okay? Point 3, running ads on WhatsApp concerning your business in order to gain more customers to purchase from you. So big brands like MTN, Telecel, Coca-Cola, every day, what do? Although they have all the customers we can think of, they keep advertising about their product. Why? Because they want to increase their customers, or they want to gain more customers to be able to do what? Purchase from them. So you also have to run ads. When I say run ads, we have people who are into doing that. And if you need help on that, you can put it in the comment section and I'll help you. Our 4th point is always be active for your customers when they are in need of data to prevent them from looking for another alternative. You know, people sometimes don't have patience to wait for you to come online before you will be able to do what? Before they will be able to buy data from you. When you are not always active or present for them to always be placing their order, sometimes it keeps your customers going out from you. You should be always active online, or if possible, they should reach out to you via SMS or call. You can also make them know that if you are not online, that's another means by which they can reach out to you. So you should always be active for your customers. The last but not the least is the 5th point. That is, be always available for your customers in times of trouble to build trust and also bear any form of risk that may occur in future. Now, in times of trouble, be always ready to settle any problem that you encounter with you and your customer. It's not that when there's trouble, then you leave your customers to be in worry, or when they find any difficulty, instead of you to help them out, then you wouldn't do so. And also remember that in every business there's risk you are going to bear, so you should be ready to bear any risk. And by so doing, when you are able to do all this, your customers start to develop that kind of trust for you, and even as time goes on, they will end up always buying from you without going to any other people for data.